Alright, one of the questions that comes up all the time is, how do you keep weeds out of your garden? And honestly, sometimes you just don't. You got anything you want to say about that?
It's too hot.
It's too darn hot to get out here and pull the grass and stuff out. But today, we got an idea. Alright, so what we did, we got this little $25 tent-like thing. Wannabe parachute really is what it is. Set this up, and then we're gonna go down this row and clean up the okra right here and see if we can't find a few okra plants in there.
So how you doing out there, Bobby?
How's it look like I'm doing? It's hot over here. This thing helps keep the sun off. But it'd sure be nice if I had some air conditioning out here. Be just a little breeze blowing or something, be mighty helpful.
So how you doing now, Bobby?
I'm doing much better now, thank you, ma'am. I'm doing a whole lot better.
You just can't keep a good man down.
Now that's what I'm talking about right there. That's pretty good. Alright, I gotta get back to work. Thanks to a little bit of shade and a great big old fan, we did find some okra plants down here. I think we'll be alright. So hope that was helpful. Y'all take care. Lord willing, we'll see you next time.